아, 가시나 보고 입덕해서 하셨다고요? 감사합니다. 영일제 IM이요? 네. 이거 너무 오랜만에 듣는데. 이거 가사를 열심히 썼죠. 진짜 가사 열심히 썼어요.
Hello, it's Amy here. Welcome back to another video. I was thinking about how to film this and I was like, okay, let's just film it in the box that came with it. I already removed all the other goods that I ordered, so I didn't only order just one set because I took a group order for this. So yeah, I have like no space to film, so I'm filming in this box. Hope you guys understand. So yeah, let's get right into it. I got into the video call, so it came with a signed A4 post. I wouldn't call this a poster, but paper, I guess, of Chan. Yeah, I entered for Chan's video call. I didn't enter for the group call. I didn't enter for the group call because I feel like everyone's gonna be entering for the group call, and it was one of the calls, one of the last calls before before Seon enlisted. So I was like, you know what, let's let other choices, say their goodbyes to Seon before he enlists first, before instead of taking the slot. And I already met them a few days prior to this call, like all 5 of them, so I thought I would just try for the chance call. And since I'm not buying a lot of goods either, I didn't really expect much. I was like, okay, if I don't get in, it's fine. Plus I didn't order much, but I got in, so here's the signed paper. I did a call with Chan. It was great. Yeah, it was great, obviously, for obvious reasons. Like, every time I meet him, it's always great, so. And getting right into the goods. This is the tin case and photo card set. Oh, the sticker's not signed. Let me try to salvage the sticker. Okay, I tried to not tear the sticker and this is what happened to it, but I guess this is the best I can do. I just hate it when they put like stickers outside on the packaging. I can't rip a sticker. Oh my gosh, I can't rip a sticker, so I think it's hard to do it. And let's see what this comes out. Okay, so it's a full card set. The bags are so cute. Okay, so cheese. Guessing the bags are the same. Seon, Byung-kwan, Chan, Jin. The bags are still the same. Dong-hwan, Seon. I really like this shot of him. I really like this concept, this styling on him. Byung-kwan, Chan. Oh, this is so cute. Byung-kwan, Seon, Byung-kwan, Chan. Unit cards. So I'm guessing the unit cards have, the unit cards have a yellow back. And a grip card. This is really pretty. And this grip card. This looks like the album card, if I'm not wrong. This one too. Is it just me? Because I just unboxed the albums a few days ago. It looks like the album cards. So, yeah. Oh, these bags are different. Yep. That's the tin case and photo card set. Let's get it out of the box so that we don't create a mess at the end of this video in the box. Then we have the dog tag and necklace Polaroid set. Okay. I did get an extra dog tag for myself because I want to have one for my collection and have one so that I can wear it. Because I have issues as a collector, I don't use my items that I collect. So let's focus on Jenny. Okay, so the packs are all the same. And then we have Dongwon, Seon, So cute. Byung-hun. And Chen. The amount of food cards that come with these goods are insane. Like, my binder's gonna explode after this. I ran out of Ultra Full 9 pockets the other day while putting changer cards into my binder, so I have no idea how I'm supposed to like, put this in my binder now. The dog tag. I probably won't take it out of the box. But here's the dog tag. Here's the names on the back, if you can focus. And the yellow heart says choice on it. Really, really cute. Dog tag. So this is the box, by the way. So yeah, cool dog tag. Necklace set. And like a cat. Honestly, I don't wear cats. Because it's a very pretty looking cat. Okay. So it has a detail at the back. Please focus. There's the members' names on it. Yep. And change on the front. Really cute, really simple. And the card's really cute as well. And then we have the photo card set. Again. So we have Tuni. I wish the backs are more like designed, you know, instead of just slapping changer on it, but it is what it is. We shouldn't complain. So cute. Oh, so cute. And, I get it. Like, they put this so that the photo cards do not bend with the cap, which is really cool. Like, I really appreciate the thought. Okay. So we have this letter set, I believe. Postcard and letter paper set. Okay. Honestly, I would never use this set. I might use my extras. I don't know if I might sell them. Yeah, I didn't even know whether I have extras or not. I don't remember. I didn't order a lot of extras. So, like I said, I only ordered whatever I got from my Geo. And a few extras. So it comes with a sticker, a small sticker sheet, and then an envelope. It's really pretty, honestly. Oh, it comes with 2 envelopes. And we have, I wonder what's this. Oh, okay. Oh, they're postcards. That's great. I was like, I thought they were like papers. Dongman. See, oh my gosh, this is so cute. Youngkwan. Yutan. This really, really cute set. I haven't seen like a lot of photos of this goods, that's why I'm like going blindly into this. Yeah, I think this is just it's just a paper set. I'm not gonna really take them out from the packaging. But yeah, it's just papers. Yep. That we'll never use. We'll probably go into my binder, but I'll never use them, so. And that's about those. So we have the shirt as well, the short sleeve t-shirt. I don't know whether I bought an extra for this. I think I didn't. But I'm not too sure whether I'll actually wear it, but it's white and I didn't buy an extra set. So kind of like, kind of sad. Yeah, but then again, because it's white, I might actually wear it because you can't really store white shirts as well. So, to me, Donghan, Sean, Byung-kwan. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. It looks like a chick here. Amy-chan. Really cute card. The backs are all the same. And then we have the t-shirt. I'm not too sure how to show you guys the t-shirt. Let's try. So, it is huge. This is actually really cute. Like, I would wear it, but do I really want to wear official merch? I don't know. It's a very nice oversized shirt. Yeah, and it has a tag. Really cute. So, yeah, that's it. For the goods. So So I was thinking how to film an outro because I was filming in a box and all. So I just decided to like film this as an outro. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this short unboxing video. I do have extra merch. It's gonna be up for sale. Probably gonna upload it on Instagram, and I probably have already uploaded it when this video is up, so you can check my Instagram out. If I have any left, or just contact me on Twitter or Carousel. I probably would have them up there as well. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Do like, subscribe, and oh yeah, and comment what you like to see on this channel, because I'm running out of ideas to film and I really want to film more. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you enjoy.